Sinibona bafethu 6 Orlando Pirates, 0 TS Galaxy. A very good team of it. I love TS Galaxy. A very good win. Isilekelela kuma points. Izosilekelela with confidence and isilekelela futhi kwi pressure ku Sundowns. Isilekelela nakuma goals. I want to speak about izinto engizibona wrong because I think i-purpose vele yokuanalyze wrong ukuze kulungise for ama next games. What is me the most is sinama goal ayi-6 but asinazo striker escorile and the game ebe open for us, so it's akungijabulisi logo. Take nothing away from Mbutuma. He did better kule game but not good enough. I still believe it was very good kwi footwork, iglayena ama touch, ama combination, and mawubheka i-attempt ya De Jong as soon as we scored 1-0 yena he made a run so that De Jong ezokwazi athole ibhola free ashute. Okay, missed. I think now futhi bemela kore kule game, so whenever sizoba ne game open kanje bese striker no number 10 bengakore, it's worrying. It says ukuthi team njengamanje rely kurele futhi is not a good thing. Uma basa score two goals against cheaper i-brace, and mawubheka amathuba atholile awekho that obvious, but ubekwazi ucreate a boxing of which I still think Mbutuma got this ability, but right now I feel like he's being judged nge-ability nayo than into ayenzayo egroundini. I hope uzoba ready because we need a striker as sufficient njengamanje, and maybe we can rely again kuma hope. I don't know, but it's worrying. Aposha coach was very good for me. Noma center back and then ubuyile Sibelebele, I think ubuyade ne-card, and then coming to Imiclefit Nemtangela, Mumbata, Fukeng, De Jong, Mbutuma, and Moremi. I see a Imiclefit. One player that needs to fix himself is Nemtangela. You know, into ukuthi umbasa simthande fika kuPirates ubengadlali la avala khona, wachaza nayo ukuthi team he was surprised ukuthola i-call from Pirates i-TM dinga salapho futhi Pirates have signed head of squad of recruitment Stellenbosch, so we're gonna see talent age, we're gonna see some good players. As we know, Stellenbosch can sign players. So as soon as ethola i-chance yokudlala ngangimdatha nami ukuthi hayibo uJose wenza, but i-forward passing before Mbatha afike we didn't have those kind of midfielders akwazi ukupassa forward, akwazi ukwenza ama-risk. Right now he's making ama-1-2 enza ama-run on the sides, enza ama-crosses, enza ama-shots. We midfielder even nama shots on target. Asiye kwenye Mtangela, it doesn't make ama shots on target, it doesn't make forward passes, it doesn't dribble ukuforce indlela yaphambili, it doesn't make ama run. Basically njengamanje it doesn't give us whenever ekhona grounding imidfielder yethu ayibi compact, like I function. It doesn't communicate, it doesn't force ukudlala. Whenever kumele siqala ibhola akabi option, the only player obe option is Mbata. Reason why mangabe ukhona yena benoMakhawula you don't see us sidlala because ucash nayo ukhonza ukumaka. Whenever uMakhawula egroundini engekho, we like nje kule game we were ready to concede. Abadlali bebengena la kuthina la central bekuzosibelebele kumele abe invect, like kube khona isipithipithi or usiyema adrave ibhola forward. He doesn't avail himself. Yes, uma ngabe ibhola liphethe chain yena uma as a pivot, okay, uboza okay, wow, yeah, team ime kahle, but as soon as ibhola lidlala ubheka ama off the ball movements akhe ashort. So I feel like he needs to fix himself because Snebo dances, Snebo Selebe iPirates kusanabo Rasebosha abadlali abakwazi ukupassa forward. So I feel like he needs to fix it going forward. Nothing wrong for it, actually good. His strength to attack, being quick, nenqume right kusilele Sibelebele is improving, but for to my final decision Moremi is improving, of which is very good. Even Mbutuma is improving, he can make ama runs manje. So I feel like I can see Usabo coaches, they are working, but some players now they need to work themselves up. So I'm hoping with after a break before you're gonna see a new Parade, it leak rapidly, it downs, we drop points whenever Ubabuga bedlala, they ready to lose ama games. amanye ama-team awas apply, you saw them kade bedlala lapha eMali bakhothi amagoli awu-2 and kusiwe le team if ifuna ukudlala labantu basangaconsider. So ama-team amaningi alapha bethu doesn't want to play against Downs. I was watching it Downs idlala ne-Opits as soon as bedlala freely i-Downs yaba short, as soon as Kwimuro Makalante igoli ligoli kwasangaba khona 2-1 but ukunemere mistake then kwaba igoli. So I'm saying lasiqhubeka kanje, let's continue, i-league isakhona, danko mabhakane yakho.